today? My name's Eric. As always, I want to thank you for coming by to check out my video today. On this episode of Smo'King, I'm going to show you how to make Korean marinated hard-boiled eggs. Now, where I live here in Wisconsin, we have access to a lot of farm fresh eggs. You can get them up anywhere. In fact, where we take our dog down the street to get groomed, Dixie gets her nails clipped once a month. They actually have eggs there from a local farmer, so we don't have to go too far to get some fresh eggs. And I love eggs, and I was just looking for a creative way to kind of kick it up a level, introduce some spices that you're normally not accustomed to when having a hard-boiled egg. And I found this recipe online, and I'm really looking forward to it. I think it's going to be just what I'm looking to get that egg to the next level. Okay, so we're going to make a homemade marinade, green onion, a jalapeno, soy sauce, sesame oil, a couple other ingredients, and we're going to marinate these eggs overnight in the fridge. In this marinade, it's going to soak into the egg, it's going to give it a delicious flavor and a little Asian flair. So stick around, guys. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Let's get cooking. So the first thing we need to do is to hard boil some eggs. There's any number of ways you could do it. Most easily you can just put them in the saucepan on your stovetop and simmer them in some water. I'm going to do an Instant Pot. Monica told me about this way, and it's kind of a foolproof way to hard boil anywhere from 4 to a dozen eggs. So you got the Instant Pot here. We put around 1.5 cups of water in it. We got that little trivet thing or whatever they call. I think it's called trivet. And we're just going to put the eggs in here. And then we're going to put it under high pressure cook for 5 minutes. It's going to take, they call this the 5-5-5 method, because it's like 5 minutes usually to come to pressure, 5 minutes to cook at pressure, and then 5 minutes to cool down before we'll release it, the steam, and then we'll place the eggs in some ice water to cool them down. So just like that, guys, not very complicated. Let's get this thing fired up here. So we're going to do pressure cook, we're going to do high, we're going to do 5 minutes. I mean, isn't very complicated at all. We'll do the start. That's it. 5 minutes usually, give or take, to get the pressure. 5 minutes of cooking, and then we'll wait till the timer, the cool down timer gets to 5 minutes, then we'll release it into ice water. In the meantime, let's get that marinade put together. Alright, so this is the very simple marinade that we're going to soak these eggs in to take on some wonderful flavor. So get a mixing bowl. I already put a cup of water on the bottom. To that, we're going to add a cup of soy sauce. That's going to have some saltiness, of course, which goes good with eggs. Let me grab a little spoon here. We got 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Okay. I have 1 jalapeno pepper diced up. I did remove the seeds, but that's because I don't want it too spicy. If you like it a little spicy, leave some seeds in it. I got a couple green onions that I sliced up. Okay, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of regular old sugar. I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of sesame oil, and then a couple teaspoons of sesame seeds. Just kind of give it that Asian flair. Now, we're just going to mix this together. What we want to do here is just to make sure that sugar is all the way dissolved. So let me mix this for a few minutes. I think the eggs are just about ready to come out. Be back in a minute. Alright, so the Instant Pot did come to pressure. It beeped around 4.5 minutes ago. Once it clicks over to 5, we will do a natural release where we'll push and get all that steam out, and then we'll simply put them in a bowl of ice water to cool them down. So let's give it a second here. There we are, 5 minutes. So now Do a natural release, we'll get them in some ice water. All right. We've released all the steam. Let's just stick that in here. And now we're going to very gently put the eggs into some ice water. And then once they cool down, we'll peel them. So be back in a minute, guys. All right, so I have 8 hard-boiled eggs that I took out of the shells. You want it in a little container like this because we want to make sure this marinade is going to coat every egg. So I've been mixing it well. All the sugar's dissolved. Now we're just going to pour this lovely mixture on the eggs. Woo! We're just about at capacity there. Just like so. And put a cover on it. All right. Put a cover on it. Stick it in the fridge. You want to go at least 6 to 8 hours. Overnight would even be better. That's it, guys. We'll be back tomorrow or maybe late tonight. Give these a sample. See you then. All right, welcome back. It's the next day. These have been in the fridge for probably around 27, 28 hours. But let's see how they're looking. I tell you, when I opened it up, it smells wonderful. And I'm probably going to get a little bit of a mess here, but I got to kind of dig out a couple eggs. So I don't know the easiest way to do that other than maybe just using tongs like I'm doing here. Let me just grab 2 here. You can definitely tell they've taken on a different color. All right. I'm just going to just cut them in half. I don't know how else to do this, guys. So let's just cut it in half. Okay. All right. First thing I notice, and I'll show you guys, there's a brown ring around the egg where that soy sauce mixture is kind of soaked into the eggs, for sure. I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pour a little bit of sauce on top. Let me grab a spoon real quick. All right, I just definitely want to make sure we can taste some of the flavors of this. So what I'm gonna do here, so I'm gonna just take a little bit of that sauce. I'm just going to kind of pour some on top here with the sesame seeds, green onion, garlic, the soy sauce. All right. Be back in a second. We'll give these a taste. Here they are. Closer look, guys. Man, they smell good. Let's give this a taste because that's what's most important, right? Welcome back. I'm here with my wife, Monica.
Hey guys.
So here we are. Something new to kick up a hard-boiled egg to the next level. Korean marinated hard-boiled egg.
Just don't eat too many of these. They'll make you fart.
All right. I have no idea what to expect. I'm hoping it's going to taste as good as I'm anticipating. But
they smell good.
Yeah.
For the record.
Let's just grab one, I guess.
You see it like this? Okay.
Yeah. Let's just take a bite. I mean, grab a napkin.
Wants to come apart. Hang on.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Cheers.
We'll see. Mmm. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Oh wow.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely got a little bit of a Asian flair there.
Mm-hmm.
I can definitely taste the soy sauce, the sesame oil, green onion. Oh, it's got really good flavor.
No, Dixie, you don't want that. Oh my gosh, that's good. I've never had anything like this. Wow.
Yeah.
That's like good party food. I mean,
Wow.
I guess it's hit and miss. Some people might be like disgusted by that. But
No,
if you like Asian food or you like soy sauce or
if you like
Japanese,
soy sauce, sesame oil, A little bit of garlic in there, the green onion. I don't know, can you taste the jalapeno? I mean, I put a jalapeno.
No, and here's the thing. Don't be afraid by the jalapeno because I was like telling him, don't put the jalapeno in. I don't want spicy. I really don't. But I really don't. I can taste a little bit of the jalapeno.
You can put a little bit of the
I can taste a tiny bit of the jalapeno flavor. There is no spice. So whatever you did, it's good.
All right, one in your piece. Just
I don't mind the flavor of jalapeno.
no, the flavor's actually pretty good.
I'm saying of jalapeno.
No, I don't either.
But I just don't like the spice of it.
This is definitely a way to kick up a hard-boiled egg compared to a regular plain. There, a bit of jalapeno, a little crunch.
And that soy sauce thing is, did you put a little sweet in there?
Sesame oil. I think there's a little bit of sugar.
Is it brown sugar?
White
Just sugar? You could almost take a little bit of, this is what I'm thinking, because I like the flavor of that. I could take a little cornstarch slurry or whatever it's called with water, and then thicken it up a little bit, and well, I guess you have to heat it. I was going to say, it would be really good drizzled over rice with this, probably.
No, you certainly could.
The kids would like it, I think.
And look, guys, like I said in the beginning of the video, we're here in Wisconsin. We have access to a lot of farm fresh eggs. We're just looking for different ways.
Oh, were these Erica's eggs?
Yeah.
Shout out to Eric over at Pet Pantry.
I was telling her you're getting eggs from the pet pantry where we take.
I know it sounds weird, but we are literally in the middle of nowhere with a town. Well, really, this is why they sell eggs at the pet store.
Yeah.
But it's a local family-owned. I mean, that's where the coffee shop is too. So.
So, guys, if you're looking for a way to kick up a hard-boiled egg.
It's good.
Few ingredients, hard boil them any way you want. Let them soak overnight. I'm sure these would be fine for another couple days, whatever, so you want to eat them.
I would think so. And they're just going to take on more of the flavor to leave them in there. But
very flavorful, I have to say.
If you don't want it too powerful, you might want to pull them out, put them in a separate container.
No, I'm sure they'd be fine.
You think?
I would think, but I don't know.
I don't know, but I like the flavor enough that if it did, I wouldn't be complaining.
Well, give it a shot, guys. If you think it's something you would like, I would definitely recommend it. Yeah. I actually like it. I'm not going to have a problem eating the rest of those hard-boiled eggs. I only made 8. We just devoured 2. Yeah, not a problem. As always, guys, I appreciate you stopping by and watching my video. If you like it, hit the like button. This logo on my shirt is the logo on the bottom of the screen. If you click on that, it allows you to subscribe to my channel. Please do that. It helps my channel grow. And I'll leave a link above and below to my website, ericsmokingbbq.com. That's where I feature all my video recipes, photos, ingredient list, the whole bit. So go check that out.
And this logo on my shirt says we live in Scanton.
I should have brought another one out.
Yeah.
As always, guys, I appreciate you stopping by. Give this Korean marinated hard-boiled egg recipe a try.
Yeah.
It was very good. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.